Hello guys, welcome to God of Art and Craft World. I'm Gaurav and today I'm going to show you making a beautiful flower vase. At first take an empty shuttlecock storage box and cut it in a required size. Now I'm going to use some paper tapes to make sure that its back lid never come out. Here, as you can see, I have cut a cardboard into 4 pieces. Now stick them with each other by using glue. Do the same thing twice to make a sphere. Now stick them on the both sides of the shuttlecock box by using paper tapes. After that, cover this with tissue paper with the help of a mixture of water and fevicol and let it dry. After completely drying up, it will come up like this. Now cover the whole thing with clay. Using water to make it smooth. After completely drying up, take a dough of clay and prepare a big drop shape to make the face. Again using water to make it smooth. Now I'm preparing the places for eyes and nose by simply pressing my fingers. After that, make his eyes, nose and lips in the following manner. Now make his ornaments as well. Using different modeling tools for small detailings. In this way, complete the clay work and let it dry. After completely drying up, take burnt sienna and chrome yellow, mix them properly, then color the whole vase and let it dry. Now take black and burnt sienna, mix them along with matte medium and color main parts of the flower vase. Now shading the vase with dark brown and yellow. After completing this, highlight some main parts of the vase with metallic copper. After that, take white and color the eyes. Now take black and color the rest of the parts like eyeballs, eyebrows, lips and some other small detailings. At the end, take metallic gold or gold dust and color the rest of the parts and let it dry. So guys, our flower vase has completed and this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.